What's up, lazy people? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very popular cake, the Mars cake, using only your microwave. For this recipe we need 5 Mars bar, butter and Rice Krispies. Let's start, guys. We need to chop Mars bar in a bowl because it will be better when we are cooking them in the microwave. Now add some butter and I suggest to chop it as well. Cool! Now we are ready for the microwave. Be careful, it is very hot. Cool! It is all melted. There are chocolate, caramel and butter stirred together to make it homogeneous. Now Rice Krispies, 2 rich bowls, and a chocolate and melted caramel rain. Wow! Stir as fast as possible, because caramel gets cooler very fast, and the more it is cool and more it is strong. Okay, now take a stencil cake. I have only a plate, so I will use this. Press the mixture using a spoon, or like me, using your hands. Cool! Now before to heat it, you need to put it in the fridge for not less than 30 minutes. Fantastic! Cake seems perfectly strong. Let's check behind the plate. Wow! It's perfect! Let's cut a big slice of cake. I have mouth-watering. Enjoy! If you like this video, please thumbs up and share it, and don't forget, for new microwave recipes, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, lazy people!